For my curly hair styling today, I'm gonna be using Curlyco's newest Moisture Magic Leave-In Conditioner. And after that, I'll be using their cream gel as well. So this is the state of my hair when it's dry without any products. I'm gonna rehydrate first.
After spraying some water on the top part, yan, i-click ko muna itong top parts.
This is also gonna be the first time that I'll be using Curlyco's Moisture Magic. I'll be getting a small amount only. Trying on this much muna.
I'm just really applying it. I'm just taking it through.
What I like is, as I build it up, hindi siya nagbubuo-buo. At the same time, hindi pa rin siya sticky even if I put more. And look at how my curls just falls and it just forms. Just finished putting on the leave-in conditioner all over my hair and twisting and twirling it. And this is how it looks like. This is actually the first leave-in conditioner from a local brand na nag-work on my hair. Na talagang ma-style ko siya without me using half or more of the product. So yeah, I think this is really super worth it talaga. Kasi it really goes a long way. Next step is actually to put this cream gel using the prayer hands method. And I find it best to use the prayer hands method instead of incorporating it during the twisting and twirling. Kasi I did that before and naway down lang yung curls ko. What I love about this is manipis lang siya but at the same time sobrang strong ng hold niya. And sobrang firm pa din ng curls ko after niyang matuyo. Nagpa-form pa rin siya ng hard cast. Mas manipis yung formulation niya, madali din siyang mag-dry compared sa other styling gels na na-try ko. Ito na yung itsura ng hair ko kapag na-dry na siya using Curlyco's Moisture Magic and Cream Gel. So far, I'm liking it. Ganda. Ganda ng volume niya. And matibay. Mukhang matibay naman yung magiging strength ng curls ko. And mukhang tatagal naman siya ng ilang days. So, yeah. Try nyo.